Hello my dear friends, let me start a new chapter of fraction. Fractions. So first of all we will discuss about fraction. What is fraction? A number that can be write in form a over b is known as fraction, where a is numerator and b is known as denominator. So fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. For example, 2/5. So here 2 is a numerator. Numerator is equal to 2. Denominator is equal to 5. There are three types. First, proper fraction. The numerator is less than denominator. For example, 2/3, 3/5, 7/11, 13/70, etc. Numerator is always less than their denominator. 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 5, 7 is less than 11 and 13 is also less than 17. So it is known as proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than its denominator. For example, 7/3, 4/3, 5/2, etc. In improper fraction, numerator is always greater than their denominator. 7 is greater than 3, 4 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 2. So these are known as improper fraction. Third, mixed fraction. A improper fraction can be written in mixed form. Like as here is 7 upon 3. Here is 7 upon 3. So we can divide 3 by 7 by 2. 3 2 ja, for example here 3 2 ja 6 and 1 is remainder. So we write quotient in front, remainder at the top and divisor at below. So it is improper fraction. Second is three ones are 3. So 1 is remainder. So quotient is in front, remainder is on the top and divisor is below. So it is improper fraction, etc. Converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. For example, there is 7 upon 2. It is a mixed fraction. It is a improper fraction because numerator is greater than their denominator. So we want to convert into mixed fraction. We want to write in this form a b upon c. We want to write like this. So first of all, we have to divide it 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is remainder. So we write quotient in front, this at the top and divisor at the below. So we convert a improper fraction into mixed fraction. Second is 9 upon 4. So we divided 4 2s are 8. 1 is remainder here. So 2 1 upon 4 multiply. If we want to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, three 1 upon 4. So first of all, 3 multiply 4 plus 1 upon 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 4. upon 5. 5 multiply 2 plus 2 upon 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 upon 5, that is equal to 12 upon 5. Compare of two factors. Compare between two fractions. Now we want to convert 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7, which is greater. So we cross multiply. 2 multiply 7, 4 multiply with 3. Now cross multiply. 2 7, 4 3 are 12. It means 2 upon 3 is greater than 4 upon 7. Same as 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 3, which is greater. So for comparison cross multiply. 3 multiply 3 and 4 multiply 2. 9 and 8. So it is greater. 9 is greater than 8. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. So now you can compare like that.